smile really caught me in a daze. Your hands, your hips, your feet. Hope you're mine for life to keep. Your mood swings and your crazy way of thinking. Not a typical girl, but that's what really makes you so amazing. Brandon, Adam, they're perfect specimens. Sorry, girl, you really can't have them. Guess that's why you're stuck with me. A fat alcoholic rock star wannabe with super belly, double chin you can't ignore, but with a face to die for. Thank you for all the love you've given me. The hug, the kiss, and that thing they call security. For texting every night and day. This is my way of saying happy anniversary.